Can we screenshot allow replay photo on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can take a screenshot of the allow replay photo on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you've updated it to its latest version. Then head over to the DM where you have received the photo. Now here you can open up a photo and there you'll notice that you will get this on your screen that says you cannot screenshot or record this. So if you take a screenshot, you will again see the same message and the error. So yeah, that's the only thing that you can do. You cannot take screenshot any other way. So if you tap on done, or if you tap open it up again, there was a previous technique where you could just tap on the button on the bottom left corner that had the camera and it would open up like this. From here you could just take a picture from the small frame on the top right corner of the photo where you could reply. Now that feature has also been removed and the privacy has been made better. So now you cannot actually take a screenshot or record any allow replay photo on Instagram. So yeah, this is the new privacy update from Instagram and you cannot actually breach this. And that is basically all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.